Good day to everyone. In this video, we'll learn about the usage of filter and advanced filter in MS Excel. The filter option, it can be found in the home menu, wherein you will be having sort and filter option. From there, you need to select filter. Filter option, it helps us in finding the required data by filtering the unwanted data. Now let us see how to use this filter option. Now I am selecting the heading of the table and then I am going to sort and filter and I am clicking on filter. You can observe that you can find an arrow mark in the each column of the table. And when we click on this arrow mark, we can see a drop down menu here. In the drop down menu, we need to select the data which we require and unselect the data which we don't require. Through this, we can filter the data and get the desired result. We can do this filtering for each column. Now I am selecting the date column here and I am selecting as 2020. Then when it comes to product type, I am selecting only hardware. Then I am clicking on OK. Now you can see that only the from the year 2020 and the product hardware, only those data has been kept here. Other data, they have been hidden here. This is how the filtering is done. The shortcut key to use the filter option is Ctrl, Shift and L. Next, we'll see the criteria for doing the advanced filter. The advanced filter, it can be found in the data menu. Under the data menu, you can see advanced option here. When we click on this advanced option, we get the advanced filter. Now let us see how does this advanced filter work. First we need to go to data, then select on advanced. When we select on advanced, we get an option here or table here, that is advanced filter. In this, we need to select the list range, that is the table we need to select. And in the criteria range, we need to select the criteria. We need to write the criteria in the separate line here. We can write it like this. Then we have another option, that is copy to. It is asking where you need to copy the filtered result. We can click on the desired place and then we can click on OK. Then the desired result will be available for us. We can use this advanced filter by providing various criteria. Now let us see another example of advanced filter here. Here you may observe that we have given the criteria as the date less than 2020. That is the date it should be less than 15/12/2020 and the salesperson name it should be Rakesh. We have given two criteria here and now we are asking it to filter. We are selecting the list range, then we are selecting the criteria range and we are here selecting copy to another location. Now we are selecting copy to, we are selecting the cell where we need the desired result. Then we are clicking on OK. Now you can observe that we have got the desired result here. Now let us check whether this result it is as per our criteria or not. We had given the criteria as less than 15/12/2020. That means the date it should be below 15/12/2020. So we have got two results here, that was below 2020. Then we had given another criteria as salesperson name as Rakesh. We have got two Rakesh here. So we have got the desired result here. So this is how the advanced filter and filter options works. In the advanced filter, the main key is we need to give the criteria correctly. Then we can get the desired outcome. Thank you for watching our video. Please do not forget to subscribe to our channel so that you do not miss any of our video or updates. Thank you.